In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Splitwise. Splitwise is a simple way to track shared expenses so no one has to memorize who paid for dinner, groceries, or utilities. We'll walk through getting set up, adding expenses, splitting them fairly, and recording payments so your balances stay clear. Start by installing the Splitwise app on your phone or visiting the website. Create your account in a minute or two so your data stays synced across devices. Once you're in, decide how you want to organize things. If you regularly share costs with the same people, like roommates or travel companions, create a group and add those folks. Groups keep related expenses together and make totals easy to follow. If it's just a single meal or a quick reimbursement between two friends, you can add that as a one-off without creating a group. Whenever someone pays for something, tap Add Bill or Add Expense. Type in a short description, enter the total amount, choose who paid, and select who should split it. This is where Splitwise shines. You can split equally for simple costs, use shares or percentages when people owe different portions, or type exact amounts if you already know what each person's part should be. Double-check the totals, add up to the full amount, then save. A quick tip: adding a note like April Internet or Day 2 museum tickets makes the history easy to scan later. If you're splitting among several people, choose the method that best reflects reality. Equal is great for common items like utilities or a shared entree. Shares and percentages work well when one person used more, or when some items were personal. Splitwise automatically updates everyone's balance and shows who currently owes whom. The activity and history views let everyone see what's been added and why. You can revisit any expense, review past trips or months, and spot mistakes before they snowball. Transparency helps avoid awkward conversations later because the math is visible to the whole group. When someone pays back using cash, bank transfer, or another method outside the app, record it by tapping Settle Up or Add Payment. Choose who paid whom and for how much. The app reduces or clears the balance accordingly, and partial payments are handled smoothly. Keep recording expenses and payments as they happen, and Splitwise will keep totals accurate for you. That's it. With a few taps, you can organize shared costs, split them fairly, and stay settled without stress.